This video will show you how to add files and images to content. So this is content either in an article through the content manager or email content. So what we'll do is we'll do it through the article content. It's exactly the same system, same procedure. So we'll come into the database manager as it turns out here after logging in. You can be anywhere on the website, of course, as long as you have the top toolbar. You'll either click on the content icon up the top in the top toolbar, or if you want to go to an email via the groups or via a report, doesn't really matter. It's all the same process once we get into the content manager itself. So we'll open up some content categories, select the content category, and either we're going to start our email, or we could be a new article or an existing article. Again, same procedure once we're inside the editor. So we'll select an existing article and we'll go to edit it. So it doesn't matter whether we're in a new article or creating an email, we'll have a very similar interface here with the text editor and the upload and embed files line. Now, once we're started or finished creating our content, doesn't matter what order it's done in, we'll take our upload and embed files line and click on it somewhere, and here we can upload either an article, a file like a PDF file, or an image of some description and upload it. In fact, we can upload images and files in the one process. As long as they're residing in the same directory on our computer or device, it doesn't matter. The system will figure out which is which and upload them appropriately. Now, before we start, we have this little eye icon here, information icon. Just read that before you go on to the next stage with each successive stage of uploading. So we're going to make certain we select the resize album. So if we're choosing images, we've got different resizes. Often the images that we're uploading are very large, and so we're just trying to bring them back more suitable for web viewing. We also, if we were uploading images, to select an album. We can create a new album on the fly just by going new album here and inserting the name. If you don't want to do that, just return by clicking that little icon there and selecting an existing album. And if we've got a PDF file to upload or some other sort of file which is allowed to be uploaded, we can just select the appropriate folder. And then once we've done that, it says we can just then choose the file on our device. So we've got the select files icon, click that. It'll upload our file manager on our device, and we'll just select a couple of documents. We'll select one PDF document and we'll select one image. We can use the control key to select multiple images or files and then go open, and that will list them here in the uploader. Now we've got some new information here. If we want the file fields to contain some information, say some text, so for example with the logo, some alt tag text, so that's the information within the image that tells the computer what the image is about. You don't actually see it on the screen normally. We can write it in here. And then for the file, in the case of a file, this will be the link text if we put something in here. So we're going to upload it, so we can either have it as the generic SmartSpace domain, which can be useful in some cases, or we could select your own website domain for the root of the address for that particular file. So we'll select my domain for the PDF file. So now once we've done all that, we can just click on the Start Upload button or icon, and as you can see, it tells us progress, and if we want to view or preview those files that we've just uploaded, we can just click on the view file icon and that will open up in a new tab. It will leave this tab open, so we'll just try one. View file. Yes, there is the file. We can just close that back down and it should return to where we've come from. So now there's waiting in there. So our information is place the cursor in the text area, then click the embed icon. So if we can do it all at once if we want to, but just say we want to put the file, the PDF file first. We're just going to click the embed tick box for the PDF file, and that will add it. There it is. It's been added to the file, and if we want to put the image afterwards, just put the cursor where we want it to go. The embed is ticked just for that file, and again just click the embed add files icon, and there's the image being added. Like I said, we can do them both at the same time if you wish, but otherwise there is the upload and embedding of files in some content.